KVYO stock analysis, Friday update and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. KVYO Stock. Klaviyo is sitting at like 33% now, which is great. It's also sitting at 30 bucks, so there's a lot of threes here. And looking at Klaviyo, I think that KVYO Stock, like I've made some maybe predictions before. No, it seems like I have not. So this is all the price action that we can work with. Let's talk about it. First of all, I do see bullish breaks towards the upside from a weekly perspective as well. And now only this is the second time. Now, yeah, like interesting price to say the least. I'll just short term, this is kind of the targets that I'm looking at, but in order for me to know, continue and buy, the price needs to really pull down and give me like a double break for me to commit. But anything else that's not going to be there, just complete noise. So yeah, I am waiting. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. I'll see you in the next one.